that? It's coming in at 666. Okay.
Today, I had an email. Car insurance renewal. As always, it's the best part of the year. Last year I paid $778, and this year it went up to nearly $850. The price is meant to go down, not up. So, as any normal person would do, I went to the Google and I went to compare some meerkats. I found a better deal, I accepted it, and I phoned up my current insurance to cancel the renewal offer. This is what happened.
To update your payment details, press 1. For queries about your price or a cancellation, press 2. To add an additional car or home to your policy, press 3. Or for anything else, please press 4. To help us route your call more effectively, using your telephone keypad, please enter the numerical digits of your policy number, followed by the hash key.
Navigation resumed.
Thank you. We will now transfer you to an agent.
Yeah.
Did you know you can make changes to your policy online in My Account? Or go to our website, Contact Us page, and speak to one of our web chat agents.
Yeah, good luck finding that, because I've tried for the last half hour.
Please answer all questions accurately and honestly. Incorrect information could affect or invalidate your cover, change your premium, or affect any claim made. Many agents are keeping safe by working from home.
Cool.
Unfortunately, it means you may experience sound quality issues or be disconnected during your call. We are working hard to try and improve this. We apologise for any inconvenience this causes.
That's okay.
Thank you for calling. Your call will be answered in approximately 1 minute.
Oh.
Thank you for holding. Your call is important to us, and we will be with you as soon as we can.
I want to listen to the music. It's nice music, that is. Oh.
Keep right. There.
Good afternoon, you. Welcome to Customer Care Renewals. You're through to Mike. Can I start by taking your policy number, please?
37152.
Thank you. And just for data protection purposes, can you confirm your full name for me, please?
No bad.
Perfect. Just give me a moment here while I load your policy up for you.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you key information about the cover we provide. Full information is available on our website. Is that okay for you?
No, I'm just phoning up to, cancel the renewal.
Okay, really sorry to hear about that. Is it due to a matter of price?
Yeah, you, basically, I've had the email, and, they've, added an extra 150 on, for some reason, so I was like, okay, well...
Yeah. Oh, fair enough. Okay, so first of all, I just really want to apologise that we're not coming in as competitive this time around. You know, I can see you've been with us here for 12 months. I really wouldn't want to lose you over a matter of price. Can I ask, have you had a chance to shop around elsewhere?
Yeah, I've got, one with, Quote Me Happy at 666.
Take the exit.
Okay. And which price comparison site did you use to find that deal?
I think it was GoCompare.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, there's two ways I can bring this price down for you today. One would be to discuss multi-cover options, but what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to jump into your policy now.
Yep.
And see if we need to get any details updated, and I'm going to see what I can do about this price for you, okay?
Alright.
Just bear with me a moment, yeah. So what kind of mileage are you looking to do now?
Same as before. So everything's exactly the same.
Turn right.
We currently have you down for 6,000 annual miles, which does work out over 115 miles a week. So does that sound like miles you're doing, or could we reduce this at all?
No, that's pretty much accurate, yeah.
That'll be it. Okay, and I can see your partner is a named driver, so does your partner still drive the car?
Yes, she's learning.
Okay, fine. Okay, so you don't need to update any personal information or Any details regarding the car? Do you think everything's the same?
Everything's exactly the same, yeah.
Alright, okay. Alright, bear with me a moment here. I'm going to see if there's anything I can do about this price for you.
Okay. Bear in mind, I asked him just to cancel my renewal, but he's like waffling on, so I'm going to see what kind of price he can do.
2 quick questions I need to get out of the way. Have you or any named driver had any motoring offence in the last 5 years, or have any pending prosecution?
No.
Have you or any named driver had any accidents, thefts, or losses during the past 3 years?
Nope.
Perfect. Okay, I've got some good news for you.
Okay.
Right, I've managed to work some magic here and get that price matched for you, so I managed to bring that price down for you by £182.96.
Right.
Okay, so the new price we're now looking at is coming in at £666 exactly, and that does include all your policy benefits. You get your courtesy car, personal injury cover, personal belongings cover, windscreen and glass cover, all still included in that price for you as well. So how's that sounding?
I have a bit of a problem now because yesterday we went ahead and we actually accepted the quote from Quote Me Happy. Now, I'm not sure if I can cancel that or not without getting sort of any backlash from it. I'm not sure.
Right. Okay. You've already accepted it, have you? Okay. So okay. Just give me 1 moment here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna see if there's anything extra I can do for you on our price. Okay. But just sorry if I go quiet again.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, I've got some even better news for you.
Okay.
What I've done, I've gone in and I can bring that price down even further for you. Okay, so this is me absolutely maxed out now, so I can bring this price down for you by another £67.04. Okay, the new total price you're looking at with us would be £508.96.
Right. Okay.
Right. So now, what you could do is just give your Quote Me Happy a call and I'm pretty sure that there will be no cancellation fees for you because the policy hasn't started yet, has it?
No, it starts on the 21st. So I'm on their website now. I've just logged in. I've just filled out the thing. Found better cover elsewhere. Is there a fee for cancelling? You'll be charged £25 for cancellation if within the first 14 days. But it hasn't started yet, so I assume.
Yeah, I am almost adamant that there will be no cancellation fees for you.
I mean,
if the policy hasn't started.
Yeah, even if there was, then your lower prices then covered that anyway, so that's fine.
Yeah, well that's why I just thought I'd give you our absolute best price here, just to just include the fact of cancelling elsewhere and things like that. So
okay.
Yeah. So how would you like to? Would you like me to keep this? Are you going to continue with us and then cancel with Quote Me Happy? Does that sound like a better way to go?
What was the total price for the renewal then?
So I've got it right, $598.96 with that.
Okay, yeah, well, I'll stick with that then, yeah.
Yeah, alright, perfect. Let me get this saved in for you.
Just a quick question though, just out of curiosity. How come when, I assume like it has done for many years, as the years go on it comes down, only little bit by little bit, but usually it comes down. How come it went back up by 150?
Yeah, well, it's one of those things. It's hard to pinpoint an exact reason because there's so many rating factors that come into play when generating these prices. And another thing is they're computer generated as well. So they often won't. Like sometimes you can ring up and like you've had today, there'll be discounts available to you. So it'll be nothing you've done. It might just be something differently that we were rated on. But I'd always advise that if you do get a renewal price like you've done today that you're not happy with, definitely give us a call just in case there's anything extra we can do.
Yeah, okay.
So I apologise for that first price. So I'm glad I've been able to make it a lot better for you today anyway.
Hey, you're a magical man, my dude.
Yeah. That's what I do, mate. Work my magic. Right, let me get this price locked in for you. Bear with me while I sort this out. So your policy will automatically renew. We'll get your documents sent over to you by email. They should be with you within an hour. They can take it up to 24 hours. You've just got to break the bad news to Quote Me Happy and we're all sorted.
Alright, yeah, wicked man. Lovely.
Perfect. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it, my dude.
Lovely. Well, my name's Mike, just for your reference. Thank you for renewing with us, and enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Alright, top man, cheers.
Take care. Bye now.
Bye. Okay, so, Quote Me Happy have quoted me miserably. Because even though they were the cheapest offer, when I went to compare my Meerkats, Mike from Admiral has been a total legend. He worked his magic not once, but twice. I only phoned up to cancel because they decided to up my price, compared to what I paid last year. And Mike, the man of the month, worked his magic and did what Quote Me Happy could not. My only question would be, why didn't they give me the first price on renewal day? Why didn't Mike give me these numbers on his first attempt? Why did he go away, do some more magic before giving me the final lower price? But why couldn't he just give me that price to start with? I don't know. If I would have pushed some more, maybe Magic Mike could have worked his numbers a little bit more and give me an even better price the third time. But I don't have the balls or the cheekiness to do that. But you should give it a try. Never accept the first numbers that they give you.